Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're all having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I will be explaining to you guys how you can appeal to Battle.net support to get your account shut down if you would so like. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do to actually contact support to resolve this issue, or rather to request an account deletion, is to first log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in on my web browser. I am logged in on blizzard.com. However, on battle.net is pretty much the same. There is a slight difference in the home page, which I will explain right now. On battle.net, up in the top right, you should see a support ticket, or rather a support button with a question mark next to it. You just want to press that. But if you're on blizzard.com, go onto your account icon, click on account settings, and then in the top right you will have support. Click on that, and now what you want to do to actually request account deletion is, as you can see, there are three options here, which are three categories of problems you might have, and we want to select account. Once we select that, we will be taken to this screen where you want to say contact support. Just click on that and you will be brought to this screen. Here you can change selection of what you want. This should pop up when you actually enter the support service first. Just click on account, and then you will either get this or you will get this. This is the categories. Here you don't have anything specific relating to this. However, you want to click I would rather describe the issue. If you have this, this is excellent. Just right here, I would please like to delete my account, and click continue, and your ticket should be submitted, and they should allow it and delete your account if you so like. And that is pretty much it from what I know. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you guys in another video.